Hi everyone, welcome to Safety Mate again. Today we will know how to identify a Facebook client is scammer, fraud or not. Let's see. For example, we have seen this Craig Jackson and he has posted that he need a logo designer, graphic designer for banner designs, anything else. So now we have to identify if he is a fraud or not. Let's see, just I am opening this profile Craig Jackson on a different tab, and when we visit the profile, uh, let's select on the view profile option so that we go to the main profile of Craig Jackson. And the main rules of this is on Facebook is just scroll his profile and you will see that this is just a new profile, or you can see a very less activity on the profile. So this is how you can identify whether a profile is fraud or scammer or real. There are more other profiles. Let's see if we can find more or not. Let's go to this Christian M Johnson and let's see whether this profile seems fraud or not. Remember, this is the template process for finding a scammer or real customer, but this is how you will evaluate the chances of getting scammed by others. As you can see, this is also a new profile, and sometimes you will see that some profiles has very old dates, but check it out that these dates will be like married or started studying, like these things. So this is not a post things, this is just a event things, like married on married in 2021. This is like this. So this is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.